Kasi Kiki was sick last night. You feel better na ba? Ha? Ah? Okay na ba pakiramdam ng baby ko? Ha? Okay na ba pakiramdam mo? See? Ang ganda-ganda ng chin 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 chin. Oh, gabi. Iyak ka nang iyak. Mommy was so scared. Ngayon, you feel better? Ha? Ha? You feel better na ba? Ha? Oh, di ka na nagsasalita. Okay na, talk to mommy. I love you. I love you. Oh. Ha? You talk to mommy na. Ha? Oh. Ha? I love you. Oh, may muta ka pa. Ako rin. Bagong gising pa lang tayo. Ha? 2 months old. St. Paddy's Day. Happy St. Paddy's Day. Should wear green. Mommy and Kiko, Mommy just woke up. Oy! Alright, say bye-bye. Talk to you later.